Welcome everyone. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey into the world of geometry, a branch of mathematics that's all around us. Let us first learn about a great mathematician, Euclid. Euclid was a mathematician from Alexandria, Egypt. He collected all the theories and arranged it. He made great contributions by explaining his axioms and postulates. Many assumptions were made by Euclid. They were divided as axioms and postulates. Axioms were universal truths which were true for complete mathematics. Postulates, on the other hand, were assumptions made specifically for geometry. So, using his axioms and postulates, we were able to prove several different theorems. They are like universal facts of the world of mathematics. Euclid's axioms are like the rules of gravity in our world, fundamental truths that we just accept. His first axiom is: the whole is greater than the part. It is like saying that a whole pizza is always greater than a slice. Things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. So we can see that if we have equal weights, such as 1 kilogram, then if we double these, they will again be equal. Things which are halves of the same things are equal to one another. Just like the previous example, we have one apple. If we divide it in two halves, we will see that the halves will be equal. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So if one apple is equal to second apple, and a third apple is also equal to second apple, then we can say that first and third apple are equal. Things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. We can try to do that with these shapes. Since these squares coincide, they are equal. If equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. So we have two apples which are equal and two oranges which are equal. If we add one orange to apple on both sides, we will find that their sum is equal. If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. The same example can be seen in subtraction. Apple minus orange is equal to apple minus orange. Now let us learn about Euclid's postulates. Euclid's postulates are like the cheat codes for geometry. They tell us things we can do that might not seem obvious at first. Let us see these. Postulate 1. A straight line may be drawn from any point to any other point. Postulate 2. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Postulate 3. A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Postulate 4. All right angles are equal to one another. Postulate 5. If a straight line falling onto straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken together is less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of the angles is less than two right angles. As we've seen today, Euclid's work is not just about lines and circles. It's about understanding the rules that shape our world. We've seen how Euclid's definitions, axioms, and postulates lay the groundwork for understanding the space around us, in everything from video games to skate parks. Remember, geometry is not just about memorizing rules, it's about seeing the world in a whole new way. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 9. Thank you.